Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV11 is losing suction, you may find that it's not picking up dirt and debris effectively. This issue can occur due to a clogged filter or a damaged ring, which can impede airflow. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage to the motor, resulting in a more costly repair. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement ring, and a clean cloth for maintenance. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the device. Once the screws are out, gently lift the casing away from the main body. Be careful not to force it, as you don't want to break any clips. Now, locate the faulty component, which is the ring that connects to the motor. It usually has visible signs of wear or damage. To remove it, use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it off, taking care not to damage any surrounding parts. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old ring is removed, take your replacement ring and align it with the connector. Press it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. Now, replace the casing by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently until it snaps back into place. Reinsert the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, which could strip the threads. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV11 and turn it on to check if the suction has returned. If everything is working properly, you have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean or replace the filters and inspect for any blockages in the hoses. Keeping your vacuum well maintained will ensure it continues to perform optimally. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.